Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. President Emerson Mnangagwa has donated a brand new off-road vehicles to journalists Zenzele and Robert Tapfumanei. The gesture has ignited debate on social media, coming at a time when both journalists have previously reported cases of arrest, assault and intimidation while executing their duties. Government sources said the donation was part of ongoing efforts to support members of the media and ensure they are adequately resourced in the line of duty. The two veteran journalists have covered some of the country's most sensitive stories and are well known for their investigative work. The development has drawn mixed reactions, with some applauding the move as recognition of the role of the media, while others questioned the timing and motive behind the gifts. Congratulations to the two. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.